John Deere, the name that's been synonymous with farming innovation for nearly 2 centuries, is now facing a crisis that could change everything. What they've just done has farmers up in arms, and it's sending shockwaves through the entire agricultural industry. What happened just moments ago? Stay with us. You won't believe this. Farmers are furious, politicians are speaking out, and John Deere? They're in the hot seat like never before. If you thought this was just another corporate controversy, think again. This one hits at the very heart of who owns the tools we depend on every day. First, let me ask you, do you believe that when you buy something, you should truly own it? Let me know in the comments. The controversy centers on John Deere's strict control over their equipment's software and repair capabilities. Farmers are discovering that even after spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a new tractor, they can't fix it without going through John Deere-approved channels. And those repairs? They're often slow, expensive, and leave farmers stranded during critical planting or harvest seasons. It's ridiculous. I own this tractor, but I can't even fix a simple problem without John Deere stepping in. It's like I'm renting it, not owning it. But here's where things get even more shocking. Just minutes ago, news broke that a major lawsuit has been filed against John Deere, accusing them of monopolistic practices and unfairly profiting from repair restrictions. Farmers and advocacy groups are demanding action, and this could be the tipping point for a movement that's been building for years. Do you think these lawsuits can force John Deere to change their ways? Tell me what you think. This isn't just a US issue. Around the world, farmers are standing up, demanding the right to repair their own equipment. Some countries are even introducing new laws to stop companies like John Deere from locking down their products. But is it too little too late? And more importantly, how did we let it get this far? The real question here is one that affects all of us, not just farmers. If corporations can control what we do with the products we buy, what does that mean for our future? Imagine if this happened with your car, your phone, or even your appliances. Would you stand for it? This isn't just a technical issue. It's a battle over freedom and fairness. Farmers feel trapped, and they're not staying silent anymore. One farmer told us, if we don't fight this, we lose more than our tractors. We lose our independence. The backlash is growing. Hashtags like Right to Repair and Boycott John Deere are trending, and lawmakers are taking notice. But the question remains, will John Deere listen, or will they double down on their policies and risk losing the trust of the very people who built their empire? The clock is ticking, and this battle is far from over. Farmers, lawmakers, and consumers are uniting in a fight that stretches far beyond John Deere. It's about reclaiming control, redefining ownership, and standing up against the growing influence of corporate power in our daily lives. For years, companies like John Deere have pushed the boundaries of how much control they can exert over their customers, testing the limits of what people will tolerate. But now, it seems they may have gone too far. This isn't just a dispute about tractors or repairs. It's about something much bigger. It's about the right to use, fix, and maintain what you buy without interference. It's about challenging the idea that corporations can dictate how their products are used long after the sale. And it's about setting a precedent for every industry that relies on technology. Will this moment be the turning point that sparks lasting change, or will it fade into just another corporate scandal? The answer lies in how we respond, and the fight is only just beginning. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over, and its outcome could shape the future of ownership for generations to come.